Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today in this video we are going to take a look at this power bank, and this is a 20,000 milliamp hour power bank and the company name is ZINQ. Now you can buy this from Amazon and it's been selling on that website for quite a while now. I decided to buy this during the sale time and I paid about 900 rupees for this power bank. So without any further delay, let's just quickly take a look at what we get in the box. And this is the packaging. Not very fancy packaging, very easy to recycle. Not much about the power bank is written here. As you can see, the model number of the power bank is Z20KP and it comes with a lithium polymer battery. The written capacity on this one is 20,000 milliamp hour, and that probably is at 3.7 volt, but we will test the actual capacity, how much you can get from this power bank. The price on the box is about 1,999. I paid about 900 rupees during the sale. So let's just take a look at what we get in the box. So this is the box. Some other features written about here. As you can see, 20,000 milliamp hour power bank, 5 volt 3 amp, 9 volt 2 amp, and it also supports fast charging, so you can charge this power bank with a fast charger, and also if you have a fast charging compatible device you can use that also. One other unique thing about this power bank is that it is one of the few power bank that has power delivery in it. Unfortunately I don't have any way of testing that, but we will see what we can do with the unit. So this is the power bank itself. Let me just put it down and let me take out what else we get in the box. So the box is empty now. Looks like we did not got a manual. So this is pretty much what you get in the box. Let's keep everything aside. So in the box you will get the power bank itself. This is the power bank. As you can see, this is the thickness. This is a little smaller when compared to the Mi power bank, and for comparison I can put the M-Brain PP20 in front of you guys. So this is the let me just open it. This is the M-Brain PP20. As you can see, the M-Brain PP20 is a little longer when compared to this one, and the M-Brain PP20 is about the same thickness when compared to this one. So let's just put the M-Brain 20 aside because this video is about the ZINQ power bank. Okay, so as you can see, this is the design. The design is not very modern, or I would say did not like this design. Here are your LEDs. Here is your button. If you press it, you can see that this is about 2 LEDs, so it's somewhere close to 50% charge. On top you can see that it comes with 2 USB-A ports, so you can charge 2 devices at the same time, and you can also charge 3 devices at the same time because 2 USB ports plus a USB-C port, because this is one of the few power bank on which you get power delivery, so you can use the USB-C port to charge your USB-C devices as well. Also got a micro USB port with which you can charge the power bank, and you can also use the USB-C port to charge the power bank as well. So on the back you can see there is some specification written about the power bank. I don't think the camera will focus it, but this is just about the how much voltage and current it supports and all that. So let me just open the cable. So this is the cable. Nothing special about this cable. Just like with any other power bank, you get about 1 feet long cable, micro USB connector, and a USB-A on the other hand. So let me just test whether the company is telling the truth or not. So I've got my USB emitter here, so let me just plug it in and see what we can get out of this power bank. So the company says that at 5 volt we can get about 3 amperes without any problem. So we are getting 5 volt. I'm increasing the current and we should be able to get about 3 amperes without any problem. As you can see, we are already at 3 ampere and the voltage is very stable. So I really like this power bank in terms of stability. As you can see, the voltage is not dropping even we are at full potential of this power bank. This power bank also supports fast charging, so if I switch it to the fast charging mode, the voltage should jump from 5 volt to 9 volt. And as you can see, the voltage is now 9 volt, and at 9 volt it supports 2 ampere. So let me increase the current to 2 ampere, and as I'm increasing the current, the voltage is very stable. I'm very impressed with the boost converter that is used in this. So the voltage is not changing, it is very stable, and we are easily able to draw 2 amperes without any problem, and we can still increase the current a little more. Let's increase the voltage to 12 volt. So on the 12 volt it should be able to give us the current of about 1.5 amperes. So let me increase the current. So 1.5 ampere at 12 volt without any problem, and the voltage is very stable, no problem there. So the power bank does support fast charging, and all the specifications are working. Okay, so as you can see, the light is glowing. I think it stops after a few seconds. To turn it off yourself, press it 2 times and it should turn off. The USB cable that came with the power bank is decent quality. So let me just plug in a device and see whether it does trigger a fast charging in my Redmi Note 7 or not. Then we will drain this power bank completely, charge it up to 100%. We will see how long this power bank takes to charge from 0% to 100%. Then we will charge our Redmi Note 7, and then we will check how many times this is able to charge our Redmi Note 7, which has a battery of 4000 milliamp hour. So let me just do that. See, I have drained the power bank completely. So if I press the button, you can see that only one LED is glowing and flashing. That means the power bank is completely drained. So I've got my fast charging charger here. This is a Qualcomm 3.0 fast charger. So let me just plug it in. And the good thing about this power bank is that it also supports fast charging input, so you can use a fast charger to charge this power bank. And so let's see how much time it takes to charge this power bank from completely dead to 100%. So let me just plug it in. As you can see, the LEDs are glowing. That means it is charging. And let's start the timer on my phone. Okay, so let's see how long it takes to charge this power bank. Okay guys, so it is the morning, and as you can see, the power bank is 100% charged. All the 4 LEDs are glowing, and I stopped the timer at about it took about 9 hours and about somewhere close to 20 minutes. I couldn't see the exact timing, but it was somewhere close to 21 minutes. And unfortunately, when I was charging it, I thought that I plugged the power bank in the fast charging port, but I forgot to plug it in the fast charging port, and instead of plugging it in the fast charging port, I used the normal port. So you can get so this is what the time we got by using a normal port, which gives us about 2.4 amp at 5 volt. So if you have a 5 volt 2 amp charger or 2.4 amp charger, you can expect a charging time of about 9 hours 21 minutes. Okay, now that the power bank is completely charged, I'm going to test the power bank capacity by using my Redmi Note 7, and then I will share the results with you guys. Okay, now let's talk about the charging speed and the charging time of this power bank. So I used my Redmi Note 7 to charge with this power bank, which supports fast charging and has a battery of 4000 milliamp hour. So when charging my Redmi Note 7, I took some screenshot. As you can see, this is the first slide. I started at 9th of October and the time was almost 8 AM, and after 1 hour the charging percentage reached to 75%, and I started at about 2%. So in 1 hour it was able to charge my phone to about 75%, and after almost 2 hours the phone was completely charged at 100%, as you can see there. So again I did the same test, and it was able to, I started at 11 AM and it 10th of October, and about 12:55 my phone was completely charged. So it took about 1 hour and 55 minutes to completely charge my phone Redmi Note 7 from about 1% to 100%. And the third time it again took almost the same time. So 2 hours is the time that I would go with when using this power bank. And on the fourth time it was able to charge my phone from, as you can see on top, 2% to 84%. So this is the capacity. So if you calculate that 3 times this power bank was able to charge my phone to 100%, and on the fourth time it was able to charge my phone to about 84%. So in all those tests I started charging my phone at about 1 or 2%. So if you do the math and take a rough calculation, you can expect a true capacity of about 15,000 milliamp hour from this power bank without. So with this power bank you can expect a total exact percentage of about 15,000 milliamp hour, perhaps a little more. And this phone also supports fast charging input, so you can use a fast charger to charge this power bank, and this phone also supports fast charging output, so you can use this charger to charge your compatible fast charging devices. The other thing is that it also has a power delivery. Unfortunately I don't have the meter to test the power delivery, but on the page it says that it also supports power delivery. So this is the total capacity of this power bank. Out of 20,000 milliamp hour, you're getting about almost 15,000 milliamp hour without any problem. So there we go guys, this was my video on this power bank. ZINQ 20,000 milliamp hour power bank. Comes with the power bank as well as a micro USB cable. On top you get two USB-A charging port as well as the USB-C port, which can also be used as an output port if you have a compatible power delivery USB-C devices, and a micro USB device, micro USB charging port, so you can charge this power bank with a fast charger as well as a normal charger. In this video we tested the capacity of this power bank with my Redmi Note 7, and the capacity came out to be about 15,000 milliamp hour out of these 20,000 milliamp hour. And the charging time, this power bank took about 9 hours 20 minutes in my testing by using a normal 5 volt 2 amp charger. So there we go, this was my video and testing of this power bank. I hope you found this video helpful. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.